Bros here, back with another video, back with another unboxing. This is a cool showcase. I found this at Hot Topic while I was hunting for Funko Pops, and I was about to check out, and this happened. I was ready to check out, right? What is this? Is the Linda Carter as Wonder Woman?
The Nora edition too.
You know I have to get this, right? I don't even have a choice. It doesn't even matter what it costs. I just have to. What is it? 22.
You gotta get it.
Oh, well, somebody ain't gonna have dinner tonight, but yeah, it's happening.
Do it.
Ow! No, that hurt. I'm not gonna lie. That's gonna be a bruise. Ladies and gentlemen, it finally happened. Oh, so that's cool. So they kept the boots and red. And you know what? I thought this would be kind of boring, but I like this little addition. This is so cool. There she is, Wonder Woman. Looking at, turning around, get a little close. Oh, okay, sorry, not that close. Turning around, look at the, hey, look at my eyes. Oh, sorry. I love the eyes, like that they kept the blue there. And it makes the boots stand out, it makes the outfits stand out. I'm not a perp. So that is really cool. Let's go downstairs with my phone and take a look at, the shrine. All right, guys, welcome to the creepiest shrine ever. So I have put her right there, as you can see. I have a Pixel Pal Wonder Woman there. One of the pops is here because it's the airplane and it could not fit upstairs. I also have this Wonder Woman here, pop, and she actually was supposed to be like further back there. I have to move her. Amanda Ruth Art made that one for me. I got that one from one of the viewers sent that. Now, a few of the other pops are going to stay upstairs because just to be part of that DC line, because there's not that much room here. So you're like, where are those pops? They're upstairs where they should be. So not everything is here. Remember the switch? Yeah, it's staying right here in the shrine because that is so beautiful. Wonder Woman, and that's the controller. That's our Hot Wheels car. I've had this one a while. You can't see it too close, but I actually had dropped it, so there is a little crack in her boot. Oh my God. I can't find my plane. It's right here, woman. Okay, so, and then this one I showed recently on with a haul I did. And then this is the Wonder Woman fidget spinner. Yes, shut up. I keep that. So yeah, and oh, that's a Wonder Woman clock. I bought that somewhere. And I showed that in the video before. So yeah, it's a small shrine. Oh yeah, that's the Lego bricks. I haven't built it yet, but I just put the box back there. That's a Wonder Woman one as well that I bought. So yeah, please don't call the FBI. I know, but like something needs to be done about this. So hey, I hope you enjoyed that psychotic tour of, and I like it, okay? If you're into collecting Wonder Woman stuff like I am, we should have a little Wonder Woman community, because you know, I'm kind of getting out of control, and I need to know other people are as nuts as I am. So if you love Wonder Woman, tell me in the comments below and like the video. Appreciate it. Listen, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.
He's the funniest guy who gets the job done. Likes and how-tos, renovates, so fun. Man, he's so crazy, better pick up his thumb. Lamarr, well, son.